Hey Math 2, this is the last of all the videos I've had to make for all of my classes. This is for Wednesday, 12/16. I'm tired, so we're gonna make this quick because I need to go sit down. But we have one last little thing to learn before Christmas break about inequalities. On Monday, we learned how to graph them. Yesterday, we learned how to solve them. Today, I have to show you one tiny little thing about inequalities. I need you to look at this right here. I'm going to do an equality. I'm going to write 3 equals 3. That is a true statement. You all agree that 3 equals 3, correct? What if I switch the sides? What if I put this 3 on the left and this 3 on the right? So I'll take this 3 and I put it over here, and this 3 and put it over there. Is it still equal? Sure it is. With an equality, you can flip it around. If I tell you that y equals 10, and I flip this around and write 10 equals y, is that true? If y equals 10 is true, is 10 equals y true? Sure it is. Y is 10 and y is 10. It doesn't matter what order they're in. You can flip the variable and the number when they have an equal sign in between them, and the statement is still true. But there's something weird about inequalities. Let me show you this. Let's say I have this inequality right here. 3 is less than 10. This is my inequality. I hope we can all agree that the number 3 is less than 10, right? That's true. Can I switch the numbers here? Let's find out. Let's put 10 on the left, and we'll put 3 on the right and keep that sign. Is 10 less than 3? Oh, no, not the last time I checked. 10 is not less than 3. So with an inequality, you can't just switch the sides of the two things that are in your inequality. You can't put this on the right and that on the left unless you flip the sign. If I take this less than sign and turn it into a greater than sign, now it's true. 10 is greater than 3. So when you have an inequality and you need to flip the side that the two numbers are on, you also have to flip the sign. If you flip the sides, you flip the sign. That's the moral of today's lesson. If you should write this down, you flip the sides that the two numbers or variables are on, then you flip the sign. If you flip the sides, you flip the sign. That's the moral of today's lesson. If you take what's on the right and put it on the left, and what's on the left and put it on the right, to make it a true statement, you have to flip the sign. Now today in class, when you're solving some equations, you're going to get some answers where the variable is on the right. You're going to get some answers that look like -2 is less than x. You might get an answer that looks like that. If you do, this is not considered to be high-class mathematics. In a high-class, civilized mathematics class, the variable in an inequality is always on the left. So we have to flip this around. We need to put x on the left and -2 on the right. And when I do that, what do? When I flip the sides, I flip the sign. I will take less than and make it greater than. So here's another example, one last one. If I get 65 is greater than or equal to z, I can't leave my answer like this. It's not considered to be good mathematics to leave your answer like this. You want to have your variable be on the left side. So you're going to put z on the left. You're going to put 65 on the right. And when you flip the sides, you flip the sign. You make greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. If it has the equal to line under it, then that can stay. That stays in your answer, but the greater than has to flip to a less than. So for today's class, you are going to work on a worksheet. This is going to count as a classwork grade. I'm going to give you credit just for doing the worksheet, but you've got to do a really good job on it. So you're getting a classwork grade for working on your worksheet today. If it's okay with your substitute teacher, you may work in groups and help each other. If you get any answers like this, I need you to flip them around and flip the sign. And I am not going to go over the answers, honestly, because I forgot to bring the worksheet home with me. So when you're done with the worksheet, just collect it, and I will give you all credit for doing the work. If you don't finish it today in class, you can finish it tomorrow. Hopefully, I will see you all tomorrow for the holiday party, if I can make it, if I'm feeling well enough. I will come by and say hello and eat a slice of pizza with you. So hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. Love you. Bye.